Welcome to LocalBizAI. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use LocalBizAI to start your very first profitable digital marketing agency and use AI to find, close leads, and deliver services. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you can see all the agencies that you have created. Let's start by creating our very first agency. I'm going to click on Create New Agency and give my agency a title, Abi's Marketing Agency. I can give it a description, give it a site title. Again, I can just use this, and my email. Again, I can give my agency's phone number if customers want to follow up. This is again the email that customers can email us. And again, I can pick from different niches that I want to offer services to, or I can just offer it to all by using custom. But let's say I want to offer it to home services. So I'm going to click on next. Now right here, I can use a subdomain or I can use my custom domain. For the demonstration, I'm going to use my a subdomain, and I'm going to give it a name again, or I can upload my logo as well. Now this is the color theme that is selected. Of course, I can pick from multiple different color themes here, or I can use my own custom color theme that I want to create. Let's go with this one, Radiant Glow. Click on next, and I can use from all these different agency templates. So let's go with this one. This looks really nice. You can preview it, click select it. This is going to be how my agency website is going to look like. Now here I can pick from all the services my agency can offer. Now since it's called a website development and SEO, so I'm going to click website development and SEO audit. But you can pick from any of these services, or you can create your own custom service that you want to offer in this agency. Now again, you can create one agency for one service, or you can create one agency for all the services. So you can create multiple of those and add those on your agency site. I'm going to click on next. Now here you can see it has already created me certain service packages. AI has already created. I can of course modify all of these. I can create my own package, or I can just pick from one or two and just like add those on site. So I'm going to add all three of these on my agency site, and of course I can create a bunch more service packages. Now if I go here, you can see everything is ready. I'm going to click on launch my agency for AI to start collecting all the information, writing all the content, putting together my agency website, and making it go live. Now while the AI is doing that, as you can see, our agency is ready. While the AI is doing that, I'm going to go ahead and find some leads. I'm going to let AI go out there and find leads for me while it's building my agency. As you can see right here, it's processing this agency. So I'm going to go here and click on AI leads, and then I'm going to click on generate new leads. I'm going to give it a location. Again, it works worldwide, internationally, anywhere you want to work with. I'm going to select my target audience as home services and my agency as Abi Marketing Services. I want website building and SEO services that I want to offer. Now when I click on lead discovery, what AI is going to do, it's going to go out there and look for highly targeted leads. It's going to find highly targeted leads. It's going to look for businesses that are looking for SEO and for website development services. Now it has found 6 leads. Now the thing is, it might not look like a lot, but these 6 leads are 99% guaranteed to convert. So if you pitch them $1,000 or $2,000 service, they are going to pay. So these 6 leads are worth $12,000 if done correctly. Now next I'm going to do is AI analyze. So I'm going to go and analyze their business and find out what's good, what's bad, what's wrong about them, and have AI give me a general report so I can use that when I use AI again to build a proposal for them. Now as you can see, click on here, you can see all the detail, the key issues, recommended services that we can offer. So we have full detail about all these businesses. Next I'm going to do is create an outreach campaign so I can reach out to all these businesses. So right over here you can see all these leads here. So I'm going to select the first one, home help apps, and then I can send them an email or I can send them an SMS. Now I'm going to click on generate email body. Now what this is going to do is going to learn everything about this business, its key issues, and what services we can offer, and then it's going to formulate a subject and a proposal for them. And of course you can put in your name, position, and website details, your agency link here once it's ready, and then you can send this email. Of course you have to connect your SMTP and your Twilio to send email, and SMS. But you can rinse and repeat and do the same thing for all these businesses and send 6 emails and 6 SMS, and you're guaranteed to close these businesses. So this is the step 2. You can of course go into acquisition tool and create a much more well-defined email campaign. So you can create a new script by clicking on this and filling all these details, and it will create a much more refined proposal script. And then you can go to email or SMS campaign, click on new campaign. You can give it a name, campaign 1. You can give your own name, your email, click next. You can use one of the scripts that you have previously created. Click next. You can import your own client leads. You can import the leads that you have created, and you can also manually add new leads to send email to. Click next, and then you can schedule and launch. So you can select one of the platforms, and then you can enable follow-up emails, and then you can schedule and launch a campaign. That could be an email campaign, could be an SMS campaign. Now let's see if our agency website is ready. So agency website is ready. We can click on view site to see how our brand new marketing agency looks like. So you can see everything here. You got menu here, you got your phone number, your email. Of course, I do recommend adding your own logo, because again, if you add something too long, it's going to override the menu board. But this is the home page. You can see everything here, all details about website development, SEO audit. Everything is added here. It looks brilliant. It's got a form here, and it's got blog posts as well, so your agency can start ranking. If you go to about page, you can read everything about the services. There's a blog, there's a contact form, and you can see all the services here. People can book these services and go give their details and get you paid. So once somebody buys a service, once they book a service, they are automatically added in the clients tab, and all their details, what they purchased, what the requirements are added here. Once that is done, your next step is step 3, delivering the services. Now, LocalBizAI uses AI to help you deliver SEO audits, social media posts, website building, video creation, and bunch of other services like listed here, all delivered automatically using AI. So you don't have to be an expert at website creation or SEO or social media posting. AI does it all for you. For example, if you want to deliver a website development service, you can click on that, click on create website, and you can pick from all these templates that we have and enter a little bit of detail about the client, whatever the client wants, select your theme, and you have a website ready that you can immediately deliver to your client. Same you can do with SEO audits as well. You can create a new audit, give your website details, and AI will do the audit, prepare the report, and get it ready for you. Now, for anything a little bit more complicated, for example, reputation management, or anything that is not listed here, we have something called freelance arbitrage system. So what you do is you go to marketplace, and you can pick from Fiverr, Google Jobs, Upwork, freelancer.com, and LinkedIn Jobs. What you can do is you can get here and you can connect and find outsourcers who would do the same service for you for 1/10 of the price. So for example, if you want to do reputation management, you charge your client $2,000, and the client is going to pay you first. And once you've been paid, you can find a reputation management outsourcer on Fiverr or on Upwork to get it done for $200 to $300 and keep the difference of the price, which is the arbitrage system, which is exactly what a lot of agencies do. So again, LocalBizAI is a complete agency in a box system. You create your agency website with services and everything included in it, with payment and delivery all inbuilt. Use AI to discover and find highly targeted, highly paying leads. Then you use the acquisition tool to build proposal, build campaigns, and close these leads into clients, paying clients, who will all show up here. And once the clients have paid and you have acquired a client, you can use AI to deliver the service, or you can use the freelance arbitrage system to deliver the service. This is how LocalBizAI works. It's super easy. It is very fast. There's no learning curve, and it's guaranteed to make you money. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.